Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh sharply condemned West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee for her remarks with regard to North-East region. N. Biren Singh termed Banerjee's statement as irresponsible and highly unbecoming of a political leader. N. Biren Singh lashed out at her in strong words. "How dare Didi threaten the North-East? I condemn such irresponsible remarks in the strongest term. She must publicly apologize to North-East and the rest of the nation." Singh reacted to the reporter incendiary comments of Banerjee, which he claimed were aimed at fostering hate and violence. Singh further called upon Banerjee to cease inciting violence and hatred with divisive politics, saying in no unclear terms that no leader should involve themselves in such activities. He wanted what he described as threats of violence to be stopped immediately from public platforms. Singh's attack had come earlier on August 28 over the diatribe that was launched by no other than Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma against Banerjee. He accused her of provocative statements that equate the ongoing protests at Kolkata with possible unrest in Assam and Delhi. In a scathing response, Sarma attacked the politics of failure of Banerjee and warned that she was trying to create instability in India. "Didi, how dare you threaten Assam? Don't show us your bullshot eyes. Don't try to set India on fire with your divisive politics. Such language does not suit a leader like you," Sarma tweeted. Assam's senior BJP leader Piyush Hajarika rehabilitated Sarma. "She can't bully or threaten us. I strongly condemn her remarks. She struggles to maintain law and order in her own state and now threatens Assam. I assure you, such tactics will not work here." Union Minister and Bengal BJP President Shukanta Mazumdar also attacked Banerjee, implying that her statements reflected an anti-national sentiment not befitting her constitutional position. Banerjee's controversial comment had come during a speech at the Foundation Day celebrations of the Trinamool Congress student wing when she attacked the BJP over the violence during the recent Band over the Namban Abhichand protest march.